Okay, here we got the Batman back together. Had to do some adjustments on the leg linkage. That foot was tending to, even though nothing was bent, so it's probably that way from the factory, that foot would tend to tip up too much and you'd want to dip over. Now regular D-cell batteries in the back might help because they weigh more. These have got those two rechargeables which were real lightweight, and I might lean forward a little more than usual. Got the head reattached. Got the arm linkage working so it wouldn't bind up, and as you can see we got the new cape. Underneath the cape is where your battery box is and all that good kind of stuff. The face does light up, although it's awful bright in here, so I don't think that's going to show up. Maybe if I get it close enough you'll be able to tell the difference. Yeah, I got the window opened over here so the sunlight's coming in. It's making it kind of hard to see anything. Let's turn the light off on here. Let's turn the overhead light off. See if that helps. Boy, there's still a lot of light that comes in through the window. I'll get real close. Yeah, you can see that lights up. In person it's easier to see it. Right now the camera, auto adjusts to the light that's in the room. Like I say, I've got sunlight for some unknown reason. It has been raining like crazy. All of a sudden we got a nice sunny day. So there we have it. It's our Batman made in Japan. There's another one coming up, which is a bigger, different version, but just the one that was on the bench today.